Welcome back. I've been gone for, I don't know, like 9 days now or something like that. So we've got some stuff to work on. The sprinklers came on every now and then. So we've got some dry spots to fix. We've got to mow the front. And then next video, we'll be dealing with the back and the bent grass project that we're working on. But today, let me show you what's going on with the front. I've got dog piss spots and dry spots. But we're gonna fix all that, and yeah, let's go check it out. It's like 85 degrees today. Up here in the front, we're nice and tall. It's looking good. It's actually looking pretty good. But right here, this is from the sprinkler. It's also from the dog, so we'll fix that. I'm just gonna put some Kentucky bluegrass with some perennial ryegrass mixed into it down. And same here, this is all just dry spots and piss spots from the dog. And then over here, there's a couple right there. And then there's a bunch more over here. So it's not horrible, but I kind of knew it was gonna happen. Had a dog sitter. I told him they can take the dog wherever, and I knew he was gonna go right there. It's the first closest spot, and you'll see over here as well. Well, here, let me show you this sidewalk strip. See, this is perfect. This is great. This is how the whole lawn should look. And over here, it looks quite nice too, but you'll see right here. Yeah, he went right there. The ones that are down by the tree down there on the other sidewalk strip, that's from all the dogs in the neighborhood. I've never cared. I just don't. I have a dog, so it's not a big deal. And it gives me a project to work on. And after I get done with this, fixing these dry spots or dog spots, whatever you want to call them, I'm actually going to most likely change the sprinkler heads there because I think those ones are a little too short. So it's holding too much water. It's puddling water right there. So I need one that sprays a little farther. Maybe I can adjust the sprinkler head that's on there, but I think it might just be a little too short. We'll see. And just another project. I'm standing right here inside the garage because it is extremely windy. We have 25 mile/hour winds today. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mow this. I'm not gonna go super low with it. I don't need to. I'm gonna just mow the front, mow the sidewalk strips, and then we'll fix those spots. I mean, it's an absolute beautiful day. It's 85 degrees Fahrenheit. When with the wind, it feels like the beach. It's my favorite thing to do, mowing in good weather. Let's go. Just got done mowing. I'm just gonna start hand watering every morning until it's fixed. Because I do have Kentucky Blue and turf type tall fescue up here, and that Kentucky Blue, it really runs once it, you've established it. Now on this side, it looks a heck of a lot better. You can just see there's a little bit of clump wet grass, just a little bit. It wasn't even wet, it's just like clumping. And this was definitely from the dog. So I'm gonna fix this, right? And what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use one of these 4-tine like hand cultivators or manual cultivator, whatever you wanna call it. What does it say on here? Yeah, 4-tine cultivator, it's a husky one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna basically just do that. Let's see if I can do it. But basically what I want to do is I'm gonna get all this dead grass back and away from here. We're gonna expose the soil. We're gonna get the seed down. As soon as I get the seed down, I'm just putting Midnight Kentucky Blue and then Daybreak turf type tall fescue. Here's some facts about that. All right, but that's basically how I'm going to be fixing this. Is I'm just going to get this pulled back, get the soil exposed, and you can see it right here if I just kind of pull some of this. There we go. So I want to get down to there. I can see a little piece of fertilizer or something right there. I want to get the seed there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and I'm going to rake it with this landscape rake. That's it. And you can take a little bit of topsoil, whatever you want, and just throw some down if needed. I don't really need it. I have a lot of soil. I'll probably just mix a little bit of silica sand, maybe 50% silica sand mixed with some mushroom compost or something, and I'll just roll it over when I'm done. And I'll just use the little compost roller. I don't really need to, but I'm gonna do it because it's hot. Give it some protection. Same thing with this. It's just another spot where he kept going. I thought it was from water, but I turned the sprinkler on earlier and it's not. It's dry as a bone here, so we're good on the sprinkler, but I'm still gonna change this one to something a little higher so it, but yeah, this is just from the dog, people walking on it, all the rain, more people walking on it, more dog, and then water just sitting. So I'm gonna do the same thing, hand cultivator or manual 4-tine cultivator. And then after I do that, I mean, this one's a lot easier. You can already kind of see it. But I want to get that kind of, cultivated so that I can put that seed in. And that's that layer of soil I'm using, right? That's what I'm trying to rake into. But we'll put a nice little compost layer on top and just call it a day. I'm gonna go ahead and get started and see you in a second. Let's go. Just got done with that. So, forgot to mention, when you make mix, and you're dealing with silica, make sure you wear your mask. I just took mine off, and yeah, it feels great to not have that thing on right now. But yeah, just make sure you wear a mask. Totally done here. All I did was I made my mix, and then I decided not to even use the roller, and I just kind of used a shovel, and it's looking good. And then I'm going to rake this side in. I found a couple more spots, so I'm going to rake these in a little bit. Seeds covered, good to go. The only thing I'm going to do is I'll make sure that this gets irrigated early in the morning by hose, and the dry spots down here as well. And then we'll fix this sidewalk strip, but everything else looks good. That's this side. And then over here, the holes were a little bit bigger, so I might throw just a little bit more. Same thing, you know, super easy. Everything else over here looks good. This sidewalk strip down here looks excellent. So we want to get back to this with everything. That's what happens when you're gone for 9 days and a bunch of crazy weather happens. But I think everything's looking good. Man, I really wanted to use the compost roller. I love using that thing. That one right there. That thing's great. But yeah, that's it. Super easy fix. You can use that for mowing your lawn, bumps in your lawns, fixing divots, whatever. I usually keep like a Home Depot bucket or something in the garage filled with it, like just a pre-mix, and sometimes I'll throw a little seed in there too. And then you can get green sand and then just mix it with a little bit of compost or something. That helps as well. But yeah, I will see you on the next one. We're going to be doing the same thing in the back. We'll see the damage in the back, and then we'll see if the bent grass has even grown. I haven't actually checked it yet, so we'll see what's up with that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.